Hello, this is Judy Osborne with Osborne's Realty, and I'm here with Dick of Dick's Bicycle Repair Shop, and he's in Pineville, North Carolina at 107 Dover Street, Pineville, North Carolina. His phone number is 704-889-0006. Dick, you want to describe your business a little bit?
Well, main thing is we do bicycle repair. We work on anything, and then we do sell quality used bike. We'll buy used bikes and then refurbish them and sell them for about half of what they sold for new.
Okay, so people looking for a bargain, it sounds like they can get a bargain from you.
Oh yeah. Well, it's a lot better to buy a good used bike than it is a new something that doesn't work.
One's been broke in.
Yep.
Okay. And what made you decide to open your business?
Well, I'd had a shop down in Rock Hill, South Carolina from about 1980 to 95, and closed it in 95 because Cato Stores wanted the buildings we were in. So I was going to get out for a couple of years. I went to work for Toys R Us and stayed there 16 years, still dealing with bikes. I was traveling for them up and down the East Coast, and we did well there. And I retired in 2009, and I was just bored to death. So I had to have something to do. That's why I opened it.
I see. Okay. So what drives you the most and motivates you in your business?
Well, I just want to help people and try to make them happy, and profit's not our main thing. We just want to have a good steady business, and just have, which we do have, great customers. Everybody's real good in the biking business. Most everybody is just real nice people.
I find that true in my business. What was it like when you first started?
Slow. We first couple months was real slow, and then about the third month it picked up, and then it's gone. Just picking on up since then. It took us about 8 months before it self-supported. So we did real well.
What would your customers say they love most about your business?
Well, I think it's the friendly atmosphere. We treat people like we want to be treated. We're real friendly with them, and like I said before, we try to help them, and we'll show them exactly what they need done. If they don't want to do it, that's fine. We no problem at all.
Well, what would you say is the oddest request you've had from your clients?
Probably the most recent thing, I had a customer want us to go up on the third story of their house and disassemble some kind of exercise machine and bring it down, which we just refuse to do because we don't have the manpower.
I see. And how do you encourage and motivate your staff?
Basically, I work just like they do. Sometimes harder, but I just get in there with it, and try to teach them, and they see how I treat customers, and they do the same thing.
Right.
That's the success of your business right there.
Right. And what's your goals over the next year or so?
To expand business, as everybody knows here in Pineville, we're getting a lot of new homes right behind us. We've gotten a lot of new communities around, and which they've supported us real well, and just to take care of the new customers.
Okay. And what's your greatest challenge?
My age. I'm 75 now, and you have health problems. But I'm gonna go as long as I can. I'm not gonna plan on retiring again soon.
Well, what was the factors that made you choose the Pineville neighborhood?
I'd always dealt in Pineville before. I worked at Toys R Us over here in Pineville, and my wife, she worked in Pineville for years and years, and we just liked it here. It's a small town. I didn't want to get in a big city. I can talk to local people, and also if I have a problem, I can call town hall, talk to somebody over there. So it's just good that way.
Yeah. they maybe can't do anything, but they'll listen
Oh
to
yeah,
you.
oh yeah. Like they not again, you know.
Yeah, it's not in the budget this year.
Right.
Well, what's your favorite restaurant in Pineville area?
Oh, probably the dive-in. We eat up there. Of course, they have a lot to take out, and I can run up there and get something real quick and bring it back here. They out Don Pedro's, El Veracruz, yeah.
What have you witnessed as the most significant change since moving here to Pineville?
We've been here 9 years, and I think the biggest thing, we got some outside people in. We got a new mayor, he's from up north. Sort of changed some of their thinking. We got new stores in, and which bring people in, and just more variety than what we used to have.
Well, what do you think's improved most in the Pineville area?
I would say probably just the growth more than anything has helped the small businesses. You know, if you just have one little community, it's real hard. Right. That's another reason we moved here, because we could draw from Charlotte, Matthews, Rock Hill, you know, and so forth.
What's something most people don't know about you?
I'm a big race fan. I like dirt track racing, NASCAR, drag racing, and I'm a big Clemson football fan.
Okay. So go Tigers.
There you go.
Why do you think it's important for people to shop local?
Small businesses can't make it unless you do have your local customers. It's real hard most of the time, and we've seen that we get people from everywhere, but your base core is your local people. And like I said before, with the new communities moving in, that just adds to that.
Right. Well, what's the most memorable experience you've had working with the customer?
Just basically making kids happy. They come in with their bike torn up, and you know, you can say, oh, well, you kid with them and talk to them and find out what happened and all this. And just joke with them, and you know, you can see them smile when they come pick it up and get it fixed. So they're happy again. That's the whole deal right there.
Well, is there anything exciting going on that your customers need to know about?
Oh, not a whole lot. Cool weather's on the way in, so it's a good time to get your bike out and start riding, because it's real comfortable early in the morning or in the afternoons and weekends and so forth. So other than that, no, it's just business as normal.
Okay. Well, Dick, I want to appreciate you taking the time to interview me, and best way to contact you is stop in your shop here, right?
Yeah, that by phone, or we've got a website.
Okay.
Yep.
And that's
Dick's Bicycle Repair Shop at hotmail.com.
Okay. And the address is Dick Bicycle Repair Shop, 107 Dover Street, Pineville, North Carolina. And your phone number is 704-889-0006.
That's right.
Okay. Let me pan around here so people can see that you really are in the bicycle business. Here's some tires and a bike back here. More bikes. Now, you gonna have any Santa Claus specials?
We probably will have something going on by then. I haven't really decided yet.
Yeah, Christmas is still a good ways away yet.
No, it'll be here before you know it.
Well, that's true. Well, don't forget, people, stop by Dick's Bicycle here in Pineville, North Carolina. Bye-bye.